Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 11:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is December 12th, 2021 on Sunday. This isn't financial advice, educational. Click to subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up. Talking about Fetch US dollar. Fetch.AI, I should say, artificial intelligence. Okay, we are literally back smack dab, almost a little bit over the line of support, the multi-year and a half line of support coming back to March of 2020. We're clearly starting to get very close. In fact, we touched it cleanly at 498 and bounced straight off it for a 10% move from back to 54. We're at 53 right now. So we are definitely closing in on a, let me just zoom out a little. We do have some reasonable line of support right down here. The 50 cent range with a, support down there at 50 cents. Resistance currently at 57. I think we could start to see our trek back up, assuming one thing. Let's take a look over to Fetch Bitcoin. The inner strength of Fetch has been consolidating tightly over the last couple of days. So we do have resistance right now at 1097. We are literally hugging that support line at 1067. We're at 1060 is the line of support, and we really want to stay over that in order for us to ensure that this thing continues its way up. Now let's look over at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 49,000, almost 800. Whoop, there we go. It's 49,008 and change. So we do have a support line coming all the way back here, all the way back here, and we're at 46,500 or so. 46,600 is the current area of support. If we do break down below that, we have a more meaningful area of support around 44K, and breaking below that could take us all the way down to the bullish descending broadening wedge, which is around 36.5. However, this is bullish. This is bullish, even though we could go down that way. Again, nothing goes up in a straight line. This is a pattern. While you're in the pattern, it goes up and down, and you can't tell where it's going to go until you get that point at which it breaks out. That breakout point's right up over here. The breakout point would happen if we get over 53,658 as of today, December 12th. As time goes on, when we get to, say, if we're still in this broadening wedge by the 25th of December, we would have to get past 48.5 to break this broadening wedge. In either case, whenever we break this resistance line, no matter when it happens, typically we should resolve our way back up to the point at which this broadening wedge started. So we do have to keep our eye on that. In the meantime, let's go over to Bitcoin dominance. We're starting to trek back up again. However, this time not for fear. This time for exuberance, or I should say, optimism on Bitcoin. People are dumping money into Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance is starting to come up as well. And it goes along with price. So if Bitcoin's price goes up with Bitcoin dominance, that means there's more and more money coming into the crypto market, predominantly with Bitcoin. And this is what I call the table setting stage of an altcoin rally. I think we're going to get it. I think we got to just see this thing start to crawl back up with Bitcoin in tandem in order to get to that point where altcoins on the back of that will start to rally. In the meantime, right now, Fetch 53.25. Got to get past 57 in order to make it back into this channel above. Talk soon.